Jesus, the double chin's bad. What's up, guys? It's Cerebral Element. Been a minute since I've made a video. Today we're gonna do some maintenance on the Crown Vic. When I floor it, it cuts out, breaks up. Yeah, right there. Oh, it is not happy. I don't have a lift in my house, so today I get to use the junkyard lift, which I'm kind of excited for. Gotta watch out for stuff on the ground here. Disable the fuel pump there and depressurize it. Look, I even labeled it. It's a smart thing to do. So fuel filter is pretty easy to do on this. It's pretty straightforward. It's just right up over here. That's all we gotta do. Pop that bad boy out.
She's in kidney failure.
Really?
Yeah, well, it wasn't kidney failure.
They give her
bladder infection.
Medicine to make her better?
Well, yeah, we're just figuring this out now, but her creatine numbers were 5.1, which is supposed to be 1.2.
Well, best of luck, man. Hope that turns out all right.
Yeah, I was nervous because
Hopefully she's okay. Alright, let's pop this guy off. Oh, I did bring it. It's in the car though. Shit. What's up with this thing?
oh, we found that in a...
Was that Fox?
Yeah, it was underneath the trailer over there when I moved it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Would it be on YouTube?
No thanks.
Hey, you don't have a fuel disconnect tool, do you?
Yeah.
That's what I needed. This guy right here. There we go. There we go. Look how nice and clean that is on this side. It's actually pretty nice. Oh, come on. Oh, look at that. So is my fuel filter clogged? Oh no, you tell me. Look at that. Holy guacamole, that's yucky. You know, one thing I want to do right now is cycle the key a couple times and empty some of that out. Because I'm sure there's stuff still up to the filter. I mean, look at that. That's rough. Set a bucket on the ground underneath it. Should have rolled the window down. I can hear it dripping in the bucket, so that's a good sign. There we go. This bucket looks like in here. What does this stuff look like? Oh my goodness. That doesn't look good. There's a lot of crud in there. Clean bucket. Still quite a bit of junk in there though. Oh yeah, that looks way better. Snap of gold. Mix that way. Really simple. Snap. Alright, that's up there. That's there. This guy in there, and we're done. And then we just gotta prime it again to make sure it's not leaking. Pretty sure that was the problem. I mean, it was bogging down bad. These things come in handy. If you ever get a filter and they come with extras, keep them, because when you break one and you don't have it, miserable. That's creepy as shit.
Is that what you're doing? I saw you back in.
Yeah.
Don't put it that way.
Oh, it doesn't go this way?
No, it goes the other way.
I hate that.
There you go.
Fall on the ground.
You should write on it. I just want to make sure that you see.
I believe you, but you don't worry about that.
Yeah, not even a drip. Good to go. All right, road test.
Yeah, buddy.
She's back to normal. Love it. I mean, that thing wouldn't even, you know, wouldn't even rev up over 3 grand before. It's nice when you're driving something that's got a V8 under it, or at least, you know, some pep in the step.